Alright, I'm going to remove this lower grille on Volkswagen Jetta 2008. There's heaps of videos on removing the big one, but not these little ones. So there's a little screw here, just in there, which it's easy to miss. And pries it away and can't get it off. We'll pop that one out. There we go. And then we should be able to wedge this out, pull this off. And the reason I'm trying to get this out is you can actually get at the windscreen washer pump motor, which is just in there. I don't know if you can see it. Where's the camera? It's kind of dark. In there, just at the end of my finger, is the washer pump, and I've got a nice little replacement off eBay, so we'll give that a go. And installation is the reverse procedure.